over the hill, there can be a stag. Okay. There was not a big stag, but this small doe. This morning I missed a bunch of stag. Anyway, I will do this one. Okay, today knife is S93 knife, Muller folder. Okay, I'm wearing gloves and knife. I hope you can see two knives, 551 Griptillian and Muller knife. I will do the front leg later. Okay. very soft looking meat. 551 Griptillian. Edge performance is the same. Handle comfort, I feel like, yeah, sure, 551 is a better feel, handle feel. But today's issue is edge retention comparison between 154cm and S90V. Good morning, knife people. I finished the morning hunt. I failed the first bunch of stags, but I did not fire at all to them, so within a couple of days during my stay here, I will get one of them, maybe. And instead, I got a small doe, but I failed to push. I forgot to push button. It's my new submersive video camera. I forgot to push this button, so I was not able to take deer extremity dressing, fibrous muscle extraction, but instead I took a useless scene, dragging the dead body to the bushes. Anyways, these two knives did the job evenly. One small doe shared by two knives. 154cm, 551 Griptillian. No major nicks. S90V German Muller knife, Linerlock folder. No major nicks, so let's cut a newspaper. $154cm. This has my homemade convex edge. It cuts decently. It cuts decently too. So, okay, just a moment. Maybe just a bit stropping is enough after the use. This is white side, black because of the metal. Convex edge is easy to restore or maintain, so I like it. This also has a convex edge, but the bevel height is not so high as this one. Maybe this angle is deeper a bit. This is sharper now. Angle is deeper on this Muller knife. Of course, I can put a small angle any day. So I don't need to be in a hurry to make a shallow angled edge right now. No need. How it cuts. Okay, I'll check through the microscope afterwards. Anyway, handle ergonomics, this controlled handle was better. This grip works positively, you know. Tip up clip. This tip down clip was annoying, so I removed. This is more comfortable. But blade shape is pretty identical, and during getting back straps, I didn't feel any difference on the feel of cutting feel. So, there is no conclusion, but not so pricey knife, affordable. But I think it is easier to get, so you don't need to have this one unless you love this design very much. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. Next chance.